What if I told you that those orange bars that you see inside of Amazon Seller Central are actually lying to you? Not on purpose, but they are not telling you the full story. Because sales are not profit. And the reality is most Amazon sellers, even experienced ones, think that they're making way more money than they actually are. If you're new to the channel, what's going on everybody? My name is Steve Rakin and I've been selling on Amazon for over 10 years now. And in just the last 2 years alone, I've sold over 14,000 products, flipping items from eBay to Amazon. And that comes out to about $1.5 million in sales. But here's the part that matters. For the past 13 months, I've been using this one specific software that completely changed how I see my business. The cool thing about this software is it actually shared with me my real net profit. And last year alone, that helped me to make over 6 figures in net profit, which I'm gonna prove to you and share with you in this video. Because once you actually know your real net profit, everything in your Amazon business changes. And that's exactly what I'm gonna be sharing with you in today's video. All right, so you're probably wondering, Steve, what is this software that you are talking about? Tell us what the name of this is. So what I'm gonna be talking about today is the software called Sellerboard. Now, before we get into this tutorial, I wanted to mention a couple things about getting started with this software. First off, if you do want to try out this software, I'm going to put a special link down below that Sellerboard hooked us up with. And essentially, you can try out this software 100% free for 2 months. Yeah, you heard me, 2 months, 60 days. And the coolest part about this free trial is you don't even have to put in a credit card. The second thing I wanted to mention is it's very simple to get started with this software. After you sign up for your free trial, all you have to do is go in and integrate your Amazon seller account with Sellerboard. The process of integrating your account only takes about 60 seconds or so, but it can take up to 24 hours or so for the full integration to complete because Sellerboard's pulling in a ton of data and information, and a lot of it depends upon how big your Amazon store is and how much data they're gonna be pulling in. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is there are a couple things that you're gonna have to set up in order for this software to work correctly and really show you your true net profit. The first thing is you're gonna have to update all of your cost of goods. So since we just kicked off 2026, I would go back to January 1st and start there. Because honestly, it's gonna be very overwhelming to have to go in and pull in all of your old data. But the good news is if you wanted to, you can do this one by one manually, which is exactly what my team did because we have our buy costs and our custom SKUs, but also what's even easier if you're a bit savvy is you could actually go in and bulk import all of your cost of goods into the software. So that's number one, you've got to update your cost of goods. And then secondly, what you're going to have to do is go into the software and add in any indirect expenses. This could be your monthly expenses for your prep center, monthly expenses for your virtual assistants, monthly expenses for any supplies, tools, or softwares, and maybe even your average expenses for your bookkeeper and your CPA. The whole goal here is to feed into Sellerboard every single expense that you have that's not being tracked within Amazon. And one thing I want to be clear about, outside of the indirect expenses that I mentioned and your cost of goods, Sellerboard's going to handle everything. All right, so with that out of the way, let's dive into Sellerboard. Let's jump into the screen and I want to show you a bit more about Sellerboard and how I'm using it. And specifically, I want to share with you 2 key features that absolutely were game changers in my Amazon business. All right, so here we are inside of Sellerboard, and I wanted to start off by sharing with you the main dashboard. Now, keep in mind, again, I've put in all my indirect expenses, my VAs, my prep center fees. I've integrated with my Amazon account. I've added in all of my cost of goods for my items. And this is really awesome because here on the dashboard, you can actually choose a period of time or a set of, time frames. Here I've got month to date, last month, 2 months ago, and 3 months ago. If I wanted to, I could customize a specific date and I could see this information per that date range. But check out how cool this is. You can see month to date right now that I've actually done $36,000 in sales, but I've actually lost money. I've actually lost $1,534. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Steve, what's going on here? I thought you were running a profitable business. Well, the thing to keep in mind is typically in January, you get hit with a lot of returns that are coming in from October, November, and December. That's why a lot of sellers have a nickname for January, which is Return-Your-Wary. January is known for a ton of returns, and you could actually see that I've been hit with 75 returns. Now, the good news is if you take a look at last month, I made $15,000 net profit. In November, I made $17,000 net profit. And then October, I made $19,000 net profit. And what's really awesome about Sellerboard is it not only breaks down your sales, the amount of orders and units sold, your refunds. You can see your estimated payout, your gross profit, your net profit, which again, January is not looking so good. But if you click this little more button right here, it'll actually break down all of the numbers, and it's pretty mind-blowing. For example, if you take a look right here, I've had $6,931 in return costs, and you can actually open that up and see a complete breakdown. Here you can see the Amazon fees on all my sales, and check this out. You can see all of this information: referral fees, FBA per unit fulfillment fees, storage fees, convenience fees, your subscription fee, variable closing fees, missing from inbound, warehouse items that were lost, replacement refunded items. And this is why Sellerboard is so powerful. Imagine how much time it would take if you wanted to get every single one of these expenses within Amazon Seller Central's reports. Man, without Sellerboard, I wouldn't even be able to make this video because I'd be spending all day trying to hunt down this information. And also, you know how I mentioned indirect expenses? You can also see how it's being broken down for that time period. So for example, you could see my fees for virtual assistants, my prep center, legal, which is like an accountant and a CPA, and then software and tools. And also you can see the cost of goods right here. So far in January, based on the items that I've sold, I've spent about $19,000 on those products. Now I know January is not a very exciting month to share, but I wanted this video to be very transparent. When I was going through some of the other videos, I noticed a lot of people were using demo accounts, which is perfectly fine for a tutorial, but I wanted to show you my real numbers. So for example, if we take a look into December, you could see how the numbers changed. I had over $10,000 in refund costs. I paid Amazon over $18,000 in fees, which again, you can click this button and it breaks it all down. My cost of goods were over $51,000, but keep in mind, I sold over $101,000 on Amazon during that time frame. And what I really love most is you could also see what your total refund rate is based on the items that you sold within that date range, and it takes into consideration the refunds during that date range as well. You could see the amount of returns that you had from Amazon and what percentage were sellable and which ones were unsellable. And you could also see your net margin and your net ROI. For December, my net margin came to about 15% and my net ROI came to about 30%. Now, in the beginning of the video, I shared with you that I made over 6 figures net profit in my business over the last year, and I wanted to share with you that data. So essentially, all you have to do is come up to period right here, go to custom range, and then what I'm gonna do is scroll all the way back to January 1st, and then I'm gonna have the end date January 1st, 2026. So this will be a 1-year period, and then click filter. And if you take a look on my screen, you can see that I sold $756,000 during that time period. I sold over 7,000 items. I had 888 refunds. I know that hurts, but it's part of the business. My estimated payout from Amazon was over $500,000. And after all my fees and all my expenses, that came out to $108,000 in net profit. Now, keep in mind, I actually made more net profit than what's actually shown here, because what's not shown here is my returns that I actually sell and liquidate to one of my friends who sells on eBay. So that came out to about $15,000. And then also the 2% cash back that I get from my Capital One credit card, and also a website that I use called Top Cashback and Be Frugal. These are cashback sites. When you buy on eBay, you get 1 to 2% cash back on your purchases on eBay. So my net profit did come out to over $130,000. So if I go ahead and hit the more button, you'll see a complete breakdown of my business. I'll tell you guys, if I did not have Sellerboard helping me to get access to all this data in my business, I would never have the confidence to spend $376,000 on eBay. And again, I buy all my products on eBay. I actually use a software called Replay Catcher that helps me to find undervalued deals on eBay that I then flip on Amazon. And by the way, if you're a Replay Catcher user, you know that we have a Sellerboard feature actually built into the software, which helps you to know what your actual profitability is on items that you want to flip. So if you're using Replay Catcher, that's another reason to have a Sellerboard account. All right, so now that we talked about the dashboard and the number one feature that I love, being able to see my profitability and net margin based on certain date ranges, what I wanted to dive into right now, number 2, is a really special feature that Sellerboard has that helps you to see how profitable you actually are when it comes to selling specific ASINs. Because I don't know about you, but I'm raising my hand right now. After I set up Sellerboard for the first time over 13 months ago, I actually realized that there were products, specific ASINs that I had sold 5, 10, 15, 20 times that were actually losing me money. Now you might be scratching your head thinking, Steve, how in the world are you selling an item 5, 10, 15 times and losing money? Like that doesn't make sense. Something's not adding up. Well, the reality is if you're not tracking your refund rates per specific ASINs, if some of the prices tank on those specific ASINs, if you're not tracking all the data per a specific ASIN you're flipping, you might not actually be making any money. But with that being said, let's dive into my screen and I want to share with you a couple examples of what I'm talking about, because if you're flipping replens, if you're doing eBay to Amazon, online arbitrage, if you're flipping the same specific ASINs over and over again, I'm telling you right now, this is going to change the game for you. This is either A, going to give you more confidence to go deeper on a specific ASIN, or B, it's going to help you to stop losing money on products that you're selling over and over again that just aren't worth the squeeze. All right, guys, so I'm actually inside of the software Replen Catcher right now, and I wanted to show you how Sellerboard is built into it. And I wanted to share with you some real life examples of how you can see if you're profitable or if you're not very profitable when selling a specific item. So anyways, guys, I'm inside of Replen Catcher and I'm inside of my orders right now. You can see that I sold this item 2 hours ago. It's a Stratago board game. So what we have built into Replen Catcher is a little button right here that says Analyze in Sellerboard. Now, of course, you will need a Sellerboard subscription or at least a free trial. So again, if you haven't yet, pause the video right now, go down below or go to the link rakeandprofit.com/Sellerboard and sign up for a free Sellerboard account. Again, you don't have to put in your credit card. It only takes a couple of minutes to integrate your Amazon account. And once you add in your cost of goods and your indirect expenses, the visibility that you have in your business is freaking insane. So what you can actually do is you can click this button right here, and I'm gonna just show you right now. I'm gonna click this. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna open up my Sellerboard. It's gonna search for that specific ASIN over the last 12 months, and it's gonna actually break down the numbers for this specific item. So if you take a look right here, Sellerboard is looking up this ASIN right here, which is this board game that I just sold. And here you can see that I sold this item 3 times over the last 12 months for $196. And if you take a look under more, you can see my total cost of goods is $74 for all 3 of those board games. You can see I paid $50 in Amazon fees, and you can see my net profit came to $71.85, and I had 0 refunds on this ASIN. And what's really cool is it breaks down what my actual net margin is per that item that I sold over the last 12 months and the ROI over the last 12 months. Guys, that's a 36% margin and a 96% ROI. This is a killer item that, of course, I'm gonna keep buying on eBay with Replen Catcher and flipping back on Amazon. All right, so let's go back into my orders and let's check out a couple more items. You can see these exact items that I'm selling. So let's go into this item right here. You can see that I sold this 11 times over the last 12 months. And I'm doing this off the cuff right now. I don't know what my return rate is. I don't know what my net margin is, but let's go ahead and let's click the Sellerboard button inside of Replen Catcher. All right, so now that I clicked it, it's looking up that specific ASIN over the last 12 months. And you can see that I've sold this 11 times. I've had 2 refunds. I've made $614 in sales. But how much profit did I actually make? Well, this is the best part about the Sellerboard feature, is it breaks down all this information. And even with an 18% refund rate, I still made $143 profit. So that comes out to about $10 net profit per flip, which is great. And here you can see that both of my returns were sellable, so they both went back into my inventory. So even with those 2 returns, I still had a 23% net margin, which for me is great. As long as it's above 20% net margin, I'm happy. And my actual net ROI came out to 50%, almost 51%. So you better believe it, guys. I'm gonna keep buying this item because I know it's profitable. All right, so let's dive back into Replen Catcher. And it looks like I just sold a item right here that I sold 28 times before in the past. Let's see if this item is profitable still. So I'm gonna click Sellerboard right here and let's search this ASIN and let's see how it has done. So it sold 25 times. I've had 13 orders, so it looks like people are buying multiple quantities. I've only had 1 refund, which is great. And I've made $630 net profit on this ASIN. So you better believe I'm gonna keep flipping this. Almost 40% net margin and almost 100% ROI. This is a killer deal. Now I wanted to share with you an example that I can see that I've tagged in my software as do not buy. So let's see why we tag this as do not buy. So as you can see, I've sold this item 11 times. It looks like it's a CD DVD set, and I've had 2 refunds. And if you take a look, my actual net profit only came to $91. And the reason we decided to stop buying it is you can see the refund rate is at 18% and our net margin is below 20%, which is our standard. So this is an item that even though we've made money on it, like I was saying before, it's not really worth the squeeze because we've sold it so many times. And with the return rate and some of the prices tanking on this listing, it really wasn't worth it. So you can see right here, it's only a 13% margin. So this is an item that we're gonna stop selling. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed kind of looking over my shoulder, looking into my dashboard, seeing my numbers, seeing my sales, my refunds, my indirect expenses, and seeing how cool it is to actually have full visibility, right? I'm putting on my visibility, my Amazon visibility glasses. It's so awesome to be able to actually see, am I making money? What products are working? What products aren't working? Maybe the returns are really high and it's just not worth the squeeze. Seeing how much money I made in a specific month, actual net margins, net profit, net ROI. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. But again, I would highly recommend and encourage you, even if you're a brand new seller or if you've been selling for 4 or 5 years, you've got to know your numbers, because when you know your numbers, again, I'm going to say it again, you've got full visibility into your business. And when you could actually see what's happening in your business, you can make better decisions to grow and scale your company. So with that being said, guys, check out the links down below to get a free trial. If you have any more questions, drop a comment down below as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Much love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.